Sebasco. It has sat virtually abandoned for the last few seasons or so. And until now, it's been sitting underneath a big tarp. And I haven't been able to actually see it in its entirety until now. So this is pretty cool. Needs a lot of work, but I mean, it looks like they have plans for it to restore it. Beautiful boat. It's big. Registration is showing 2019. That makes sense. I think that's about, I think when I was talking to one of the maintenance guys, he said that was around the last time they used it. So it's been a while. Looks like registration expired December 31st, 2019. So yeah, this is the Ruth Sebasco is the name of the boat. As to what kind of boat this is, I know not. But maybe some of you boat enthusiasts can fill us in. I love these little nautical windows here, these little portholes. Cool stuff. There's really no way to get into it, at least from this side, and from what I can see, but just want to get a little video of it. But it looks like a work in progress. Not sure what Sebasco has in store for it. Hopefully restoration. Pretty sweet boat. Yeah, I don't see a way up onto it. I was thinking maybe I might be able to climb out that little boat, but it doesn't appear I can do that. Well, let's see. Let's see if we can do it or not. Oh, I do not like walking through all of this nasty stuff. Spiders and ticks. All right, there we go. There's a better look inside. Yeah, it looks like it needs a lot of work. Wonder what era this is from. I'm getting like 60s, 70s vibes. Yeah, mosquitoes are coming out. I think I just walked into a spider web. I'm gonna see if I can get up in there. Hold on. All right, at least now we can have a little bit more intimate look into the boat, into the guts of the boat. Yeah, this is cool. It's got a map and everything. I don't know if this was like a tugboat or something of that nature. I'm not getting like cruise boat vibes or sailboat vibes, but I'm getting more like tugboat, like servicing type stuff. But again, I know nothing about boats. Get the CB radio, that's cool. Breaker 19, Breaker 19. Anyone out there know candy cane? It's a reference to one of my favorite movies called Joyride. It's been inspected by the Coast Guard. Yeah. Here's the cabin. Small space. Crawl in here a little bit. Let's see what this is. Oh, yeah, just a little mop closet. Okay, well, I just wanted to get kind of an idea of what it looks like inside. Beautiful. Work in progress. Project boat. Okay, I think I'm going to wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed the tour aboard the Sebasco Ruth, or the Ruth Sebasco. All right, back to work I shall go. See y'all later.